a scrubber in the exhaust of a chemical industry plant removes. Okay, a scrubber is like this. A scrubber is like this. Polluted gases passed from here. Gases is passed from industry, and here is the water and lime and showered from here. So impurities will settle, particulate matter will settle, and gases will pass. And this is mainly used for industrial exhaust to prevent SO2 emission. Okay, so this is correct answer. This is wrong. Ozone and methane, no, not produced in industry, and particulate matter, no. So SO2 is correct answer. This is a question from a line of NCRT. Okay, a scrubber in the exhaust of a chemical industry plant removes sulfur dioxide. This will remove sulfur dioxide, which will prevent acid rain.